Good afternoon, Philippines. Today is a weekend, and again, for a family gathering, we have here some food for treat. And usually, the family comes here to celebrate and catch up for the last time and reminisce its memories we had when we were kids. So sometimes we go to our cousin's place, and for this weekend we are here in our small abode, and just we have stem banana, stem kamote, fried chicken, torones, adobo, brownies, and fruit salad. So, a mixture of papaya, fruit cocktail, sweet corn, and some pastries. So, I don't know if you have this kind of tradition, but here in Waray-Waray area, we usually catch up with families. And these are my girlfriend cousins, and just like last time we went to a movie. You try to watch The Chosen. It's a very good movie about Jesus Christ and his disciples. After that, we had our facial. We ate at the iceberg. Try to communion with your cousins, because at the end of the day, when you grow old, they will be there to watch over you, to take care of you when you're challenged for your health. Thank you guys. Do subscribe, comment, and like. Bye bye. Happy weekend.